It's Battle of the Boxes. We have our Ipsy Boxycharm by Ipsy's, and let's see who's got the better box. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy.
I'm Chloe.
She's very interested in what's in her box. Hold on. And these are our Boxycharm by Ipsy's. And I'll give you a sneak peek. She won't. There's your sneak peek. Can't see much. You have 2 add-ons. So let me just take those out.
Okay.
First item, what you got?
I got a moisturizer.
That's by Cocoa Kind, and it is their peptide recovery resurrection cream.
Can I open it?
No. I mean, because we're not going to use it right now, right?
No, I just wanted to smell it.
Right. So once we open it, the clock starts
Oh.
on it. And then it only has a lifetime of, where does it say? Usually it tells you.
Skip that part.
Okay. She doesn't care about the information. Hold on. And that is a $27 value. Okay, the first thing and that was a choice item. The first thing I'm pulling out is by Jasmine Beauty. It's the Complexion Essentials Brush Set. This is a $54 value, and it is a vegan company. What you got?
Crayon.
A crayon.
A lip crayon.
Yeah, this is by Haas Laboratories. Let me just, there you go. Which is the Lady Gaga brand.
Really good brand or no?
That is a $22 value.
Not really my color.
I thought it was kind of fun. Trust me, from what they offered, this was the best option. Look, it looks like a pen, first of all. You could mix that with nude and have a great color. And the brushes were one of my choice items. Another one of my choice items by Luna Magic is the Set Perfection Foundation Powder. This is in the shade Light. Oh, it's got a really pretty container there. Do you need some help? I got some scissors.
Yeah.
Okay.
I can do it myself. I got, oh cool, that's a nice color. Pearlescent.
It's,
Ooh!
it's, multi-chrome.
Yeah, I'm stealing this.
The foundation was $30 value. This is a $22 value.
I'm stealing this.
Hold on.
That's mine. That is mine, Mom.
I also have Danessa Myricks pencil. This one is in Jade and is a $22 value. She's going to move on to her next item because she cannot wait.
You say detox face mask. I don't know what it smells like.
And that's by LYS. And that was one of their 2 choices for her. And here, this is mine. So it's got like this green gold shift. And
I like mine better.
hers, her face mask was a $26 value. And, hold on. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
We both got the Tarte Maracuja Juicy Blush
You know what that means?
in Big Ego. So we're going to put one aside. Do you want to put aside mine or yours? Does it matter?
Whatever's fine.
Okay, why don't we swatch yours?
You think it's going to be my color? Oh, I like that.
That would also be a nice lip color.
Alright, I'm going to put on my lips then. Can I have it?
Here it is right there. and that's a $30 value. And I have one more thing.
I don't. Oh yeah, you took the other two things. It's right here. Nope. It's right here.
Oh, that's okay. Because you were one ahead of me.
This is
So the blushes were their choice items for both of us. And then the last item that they chose for me is this Laura Geller Soft Satins and Matte Eyeshadows plus 2 highlighters. I'm just going to have it all over your face.
Yep.
All right.
Why not?
Whatever works for you, kid.
Why not, though? I feel like you're judging me.
I'm not. I just was surprised you were putting it on your eyes.
Yeah, it's a nice color.
Okay.
Plus, I already have it on that gives it a nice tint. What do you think?
Yeah, it's very pretty.
Entire face with only one.
There is the packaging. And there is how it looks. It has 2 highlighters in there, as you can see. And then it's an all kind of nudes palette. I am going to set that aside. I believe this was a $30 value, or here's the book. $20 value. So this is going to go aside because I just probably won't use it. So those are our 2 boxes without any add-ons or extras or anything. So let us know who had the better box. Now, I also have a Boost Your Box. And so I got by Juice Beauty the Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Moisturizer.
Mine's already better. I already know.
And this has one of those pump action.
Alright, I got the better thing. I got the Better Beauty.
That's
lip
REM
gloss.
Beauty.
Oh, oops. REM Beauty. That's what I meant to say. I think you have 2 brands at once. Now, I'm going to put this on. That's why I was wiping off the stuff.
And that is a $17 value. They had that in points, but it was all out like about a month or 2 ago. So when I saw that as an add-on, I added it on because I just thought it would be super pretty, and it looks like it is.
It smells like mint and birthday cake, like a mint chocolate chip birthday cake or something like that.
Yeah, I can smell that. All right, so there it is right there. Keep the top back up. Now, I did have some points to redeem, so I got the LMS Rehydrating Ginseng Toner, which I had gotten in, or one of us had gotten in a regular Boxycharm, and I really like it. So I did add this on it. Again, I had points, so I didn't pay anything for it. It just was part of my points. There's one more add-on that I purchased for hers. This was something that I was supposed to get, and then they sent me some other random item, and I really wanted to try it. So when I saw it for like 12 bucks, I jumped on it. This is the Dr. Laura Devigan
Can I try it on?
mascara. It's a $40 value.
Can
Yeah.
I try it on? Okay.
So while she's trying to open that up, I also, with points, I got this Morello Twins by Beauty Creations. I don't remember what it was actually. Oh, okay. I think it's like a blush and bronzer kind of palette. So very pretty. And I had points that were going to expire if I didn't use them, so it's not like I could save them like they were going to expire in September. So I had to use them. I have a ton of points.
Oh my god.
Mm-hmm.
You see how long that is?
Yeah. And
I'm
then,
stealing this. It's mine.
okay, well, it'll be in with the mascaras that we both use.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
It's mine.
Mm-hmm. And then also, because I had points, I did get this Aceology Detoxifying Treatment Mask. I don't remember what the value of this was, but the Aceology is very expensive. So, there we go. I probably even have one of these, so I will probably either put this in a giveaway or gift it. So,
This looks so good.
We should have taken a picture of one side versus the other, one side with, one side without.
I do have one side with and one side without.
Oh, you do right now? All right. So,
I don't like doing the other eye.
why don't you kind of come up to the camera a little bit and show them the difference? Okay, maybe not like that. Maybe I'll take a picture and show them. Okay, good talk. Good talk. That's not really the... All right, so that's our 2 Boxycharm by Ipsy boxes. Let us know your thoughts. Which one was the better box, minus the add-ons and points items and the boost?
Oh,
right.
yeah, this is a pumper for sure.
Okay. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and hopefully we'll see you soon.